Good morning, welcome to another video. And in this next few videos we are going to be bikepacking Cornwall. So we travelled down yesterday from the north, parked up, and then we have ridden to St Austell, and this is where we're going to be starting off. So we had one night here, and then now we're just going to do a big clockwise loop around Cornwall. However, this was my setup. Let me show you the setup. So top, bike under there, bivvy there. However, it was so cold last night, I ended up sleeping in the women's toilets. So the others, so Richard and Greg both had tents. I was absolutely frozen, so it wasn't meant to be this cold. It just got very cold. What on earth is that? Anyway, we're going to catch up. I'm going to pack all my stuff away now, and then we'll catch up with you on the route. Right, I don't know his words. I don't know if you saw the video where Rich couldn't get his tent up and he just used it as a bivvy. He's brought a tent this time.
Like one thing that's
Where's the snapped one? How many have snapped?
These have come through there and on the other one. That needs to go in there. It ain't gonna go.
Oh my god, we're so bad. I think we just need to go to a camping shop and buy a tent each. I wasn't being a wuss. This is frozen. Look at that in there. So we are now just heading over to a beach. I think it's called Corn Beach. So we're just going to go up there, sit on the beach, maybe even get in the sea. Exciting.
What have you got? Pounds?
Oh yeah, that'll probably.
What do we get for that?
120.
Yeah, we'll have them.
There's a Cornish vending machine. Homegrown stuff usually does, isn't it? Good, aren't they? Wow. Wow.
Wow. So we've come to, is it called Pendover Beach? Pendover Beach, and we're just, so basically the whole point of this trip is we're not doing massive Ks, just wanted to enjoy the last little bit of summer. So we're just coming to the beach, we're probably going to get in the sea, have a nice ollie, camp out, just about having a nice little summer holiday before it gets dark and miserable. It's a really pretty beach, so we've just got our bags here, get some snacks and then get in the sea. The ferry we're going on.
Yeah, I think we'd fit our 3 bikes and us on that.
Well, it's too bright. We'll have to see what it's like in the real.
I think it's fake.
Do you think?
I think
That's not fake, it's ferry. That's the ferry.
No way. They photoshopped that on.
No!
I love the sea so much. Look at that down there. That beach was stunning, absolutely stunning. Now just to catch a little ferry. What? 15 minutes.
15 minutes until the next one.
Okay, do you want to go up and do it? So we are heading for the ferry, but we've got 10 minutes before it gets here, and we have just ridden down the steepest, honestly, it was like Hard Knot or Ride Nose Pass. If you know them, like 30% climbs. Honestly, so Greg's gonna come up with his loaded bike and climb it. Look at the houses. How are you doing that on a loaded bike, Greg? Oh, that's insane. Look at it.
You're not afraid of that?
That's the ferry, sorry, that's the ferry, not one of them. I thought, Rish was winding me up saying we're getting on one of them. And I was like, how am I going to get my bike with all my luggage into that? I don't know. Are you sure it's a big one?
You say that you can check me if I'm lying, but you believe me?
I couldn't believe you that time. I'm gullible, what can I say?
Right, should we go on?
That's a really nice little boat, let's go get on it.
Let's go get on. I'm not even kidding, I love ferries. Snap already.
They're going to call it COVID Fest.
Right on COVID Fest.
That is COVID Fest. We've not decided though whether we're going to camp out or try and get rooms because it was so cold last night. So we're going to see what the camping setup looks like there. Someone singing? Or is that actually karaoke? So we are in. What's it?
That's what I said. If you let out your dulcet tones,
They might let me in and have a little camp in there.
Yeah.
We got sea views, and so we weren't sure because it was so cold last night whether we were going to try and get into the wire chain and get like rooms and stuff, or whether we were going to try and like just camp out. So this is where we are staying tonight. I am so excited. We got it super cheap as well. Look at this. Dun, dun, dun. I mean, there's karaoke going through there, but at least we're not. Look at this. And we've also got the perfect little picnic spot to cook our rice and our oats in the morning. This is camping I like. This is glamping. This ain't bivying. Having to sleep in a toilet.
This is MSR camping.
You love MSR. Hashtag not sponsored. Right, let's get all the camping stuff out. Shake him.
Get that ISO up, baby.
It's up as high as it'll go. We're shaking beans. They're beans. We're rinsing them. This is our tea. We have rice in the pot.
7 out of 10. It's smaller.
Riding bikes.
No, I mean staying somewhere.
We'll figure it out tomorrow.
Should we do it tomorrow then?
Yeah. This is way nicer than being freezing cold in a bivvy. I think probably September or just not having the right kit is yeah, not ideal. You too. It's lovely, isn't it? It's so cosy. Can't wait to get in. We're getting proper now. That's toasty. So we'll see you tomorrow for another little adventure around West Country. Bye.
Surprised you know where the West Country is.
I don't, to be honest.
Called it down south.
Did you not hear when I said in the West Country? I was double checking that I knew where it was. My geography is so bad.
You know this isn't the south.
Yeah, she
It
called it
is the south.
She called it the south, and I said, "How dare you?"
This isn't the south.
It's not the south. It's the West Country.
So when you were saying about going down south,
It's not.
you're on the wrong end of the country.
Yeah, but I am south.
No, West Country.
Whatevs. We're down south
No.
on the west.
We're just pulling your little legsies,
My little legsies are being pulled.
pulling your little pipes,
My pipes.
yanking your chain. Love liquor.
What does that mean?
Literally, it means tasty sleep. Sleep tasty.
On that note, good night. Sleep tasty.